What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. There's a new flavor of Soylent. And if you can't tell, that new flavor is mint chocolate. Now, who doesn't like mint chocolate, chip ice cream, all that stuff? I love mint. Anyway, my favorite Soylent flavor is chocolate. And when I saw that they were offering a mint chocolate, I was like, hell yeah. And so I picked this up. Hopefully this does not disappoint me. You can see it is kind of that minty green right there. The same type of bottles, everything looks about the same. You get 14 fluid ounces. These are meal replacements. They are also, I think they're vegetarian. They may be vegan. It's mostly just chemicals. And if I show you on the back here, it says 400 calories. So if you drink 3 or 4 of these in a day, I mean, you're only at 12 or 1600 calories for the day. But I tell you what, especially if you have one of these in the morning, they really do tide you over until like lunchtime. Now, so I'm just gonna open this up because not only do I want to try it out for the first time, but I also want to show it to you. They all come sealed with a little foil on the top there, so you know they're fresh and good and that no one has opened this up and then licked the top and then put them back, because that's a thing these days. Here is that mint chocolate chip, and oh, it's brown. Looks just like the chocolate. You know, it's kind of thick. It's got a chocolate milk type of consistency. And it smells like the chocolate Soylent, but it has just a little bit of that mint hint to it. So, down the hatch. Ooh! Okay, on the front end, it's got that chocolate taste. I think also because it looks like that, you're kind of expecting that. But then on the finish, it's got a really strong mint punch, which is great. And not like kind of a really organic, leafy type of mint, but like that Andes chocolate mint. So it's actually quite delicious. So you actually get a really both flavors kind of separated on the experience, which is actually kind of amazing, because I kind of wondered how you would get mint and chocolate together. Dude, that's good. I tell you what, if you like the chocolate ones, and maybe you're even getting a little sick of drinking so much of the chocolate ones, this is gonna mix it up. But man, that's delicious. Hey, if you want to pick this up, they sell them in a case like this. I almost wish that they had like mint chocolate little Soylent snacks and stuff like that. But another successful flavor from the Soylent family. Hey, check it out. I'll put a link to this in the description below. Peter from Panda, out.